What I'm holding in my hand is not just another crystal bracelet. This is a life-changing crystal bracelet. Come here, let me show you. When you order an I Am Aromatherapy bracelet, you are getting a whole gift set. It is everything that you need to step into your power. You cannot fail with this gift set. We give you the bracelet. You get the essential oil blends. Did you know that 70% of our emotions are triggered by scent? Get a selenite wand. And my favorite part, an affirmation card. This is the most important thing. This is what you're going to be saying to yourself when you need to make the shift. When things in life aren't going right and you're not sure what to say, this affirmation is what you're gonna say. This is everything you need to succeed, to create positive changes in your life. I'm excited for you to experience the powerful creator that you are. You ready to create the life that you want?